Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I am setting up my Mardi Gras Tablescape and I would love to give you a tour. Now Mardi Gras is on February 25th, 2020, and the colors of Mardi Gras are purple, which stands for justice, green stands for faith, gold stands for power. So that is my color scheme. And I'm going to start with this place setting. All the place settings are the same. And they start with this gold nest charger that I got from Burlington. And also this glitter charger came from Burlington. On top of that is a green ceramic plate that I got from the Dollar Tree. And this purple paper plate, I use that just for color. I got that from Dollar Tree. And the napkin also came from Dollar Tree. But this gold bling napkin holder came from Hobby Lobby. And it's so beautiful. And this candle set here, that came from Dollar Tree. And this beautiful goblet here, that came from Dollar Tree as well. It's a green top and a clear stem base. And so that is a very beautiful and affordable way to set up your Mardi Gras table. Now my centerpiece, the base of it is a gold tray. Got that from Burlington as well. And I have an assortment of ornaments. And got those gold coins there. Beads, because you can't have Mardi Gras without the beads. And some more ornaments. And I have these two mask stands here. And what I did, I took one of those cylinder vases from the Dollar Tree. And then I put one of these festive balloon weights in there. Drop some cute little beads in there and wrapped a Mardi Gras mask around that. And I have that on both sides. They're holding up the rear. And I also put some candles there as well on the tray as well. Now the main centerpiece, this beauty here, this is on I put a mask and then I put another feathered mask on top of that. I've had this for years. I think I got them from Dollar Tree, but I've had them for so long, but I've never utilized them. And I put that on a candle holder and just wrapped boas around it so she can have a beautiful collar. And then just draped Mardi Gras beads. Drape these beads around like that. And so she's front and center. That's our Mardi Gras Masters of Ceremony right there. So I just wanted to share my Mardi Gras table with you guys. You know I love home entertaining. That's what this channel is about. And I want to thank, before I get too far into this video, I want to thank my current subscribers. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support. Appreciate you rolling with Miss Rink Chick. Any new people, if you're new here, I want you to go on and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you know you'll be notified. You don't have to go searching. You'll be notified when I upload any new content. Do some fun and interesting things around here. And so you guys, this is Mardi Gras, February 25th, 2020. And thank you guys again so much. Let's keep rolling. Bye, and let the good times roll. All right. Bye.